The following is some info on item. Genral Electric GE Lighting 56575 2-pack grounded 6-outlet tap room for large plugs power adapter. Genral Electric Lighting 56575 2-pack grounded 6-outlet tap white by GE 0531 2020. Cost, $7.95, 2 per purchase, $3.98 each. Amazon, https://www.amazon.com/gp/refequals ppx_dd_ASIN_code-ASIN_p_s_1. Best Buy, https://www.bestbuy.com/site/ge-grounded-6-outlet-tap-white/6219336. Genral Electric Lighting 56575 2-pack grounded 6-outlet tap, white product information technical details part number 56575. 2pk item weight 4.8 ounces package dimensions 7x 4.5x 2 inches item model number 56575 is discontinued by manufacturer no item package quantity 2 batteries included, no batteries required. No additional information ASIN B016DOQNQQGE, grounded 6-outlet tap, white model 56575 SKU 6,219,336 overview description fit more electronic devices on a single outlet with this GE 6-outlet grounded wall tap. The unique configuration saves space on your wall while still providing versatile options for connecting standard 3-prong plugs and AC adapters. A 15-amp circuit breaker features an auto-shutoff feature and a reset button, making this GE 6-outlet grounded wall tap ideal for protecting sensitive computer and home entertainment components. Features 6 power outlets convert 2 grounded, 3-prong outlets into 6. Up to 15 amp load capacity provides overload protection that will interrupt power in case of overload condition. Indoor use perfect for placement behind a home entertainment system or for use in a home office. Specifications General product name grounded 6-outlet tap brand GE model number 56575 color white color category white power amperage info 15 amperes voltage info 125 volts features number of outlets 6 resettable circuit breaker yes indicator light S. No wall mountable info yes certifications and listings UL listed info yes connectivity USB port S. No dimension product length info 1.5 inches cord length 0 feet warranty manufacturer's warranty parts 90 days manufacturer's warranty labor 90 days other UPC 043180565754.
I plug in my fan. And this is the dining room, but we use it for now, as a classroom where all the kids sit around. So the usual plugs, the usual outlet only has 2. Now you could choose to remove this plate and put this on there with the screw in the middle, this screw here. But in all situations, they're not the same. So the bottom outlet works with a switch, and we usually plug in a lamp or something to it, and you can turn it on and off from the switch above this outlet. And the lucky part is that this thing, the top, is the plug-in, so that when I plug it in, this is the constant outlet. So this is always going to be on. And the light switch, when it's turned on and off, will not affect this. There's another outlet that works with this for on and off that we have a light on. But so this one we pretty much are not using. So this works perfectly here, but because the situations may change and I may want this switch controlled outlet in the future, I don't want to screw it in and have to find a plate. So pretty much you either have a choice, like I said, to take this out or just plug it in on top without a screw, and it works just fine. As a matter of fact, let me just leave the screw in there probably. Yeah, doesn't fit. So I'll just leave the screw safe, you know, put it somewhere where I won't lose it. And I have an area where I keep my extension cords and all that stuff all in one area. And that way I don't, if I need it, I have it. Plus you can find them at Home Depot, these things anyway. So I really, really like it. The kids connect their laptops and they're charging, when they're charging their iPads and iPhones and tablets and stuff like that. So this is the main outlet that they use, and it allows you to take one outlet and make it into 6, and they work well. I've been using them for years. I love this style over this style because if you have a brick, like the kids' laptop, some of them have a brick at the end. When you put the brick in, it takes over one. It could take over 2 outlets. So this limits the access to the other, to an outlet that's should be available, but it's not available because the brick takes over both connections. So this is why I don't like this setup. This will be replaced later by the one I just purchased.